Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're joining for the first time, you are highly welcome. Thank you very much and subscribe to my channel. Always do well to on your notification button to know when I post a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for stopping by. I really appreciate, and do well to give my video a thumbs up. So today's episode we'll be making some gizzards. Stick around and watch the video. I'll be making this with chicken gizzard. Firstly, I started by washing the gizzard thoroughly. Make sure you wash it thoroughly to remove the smell from the gizzard. I also use lemon to scrub the gizzard very well so that it doesn't smell. And after washing, it should be like this. I will also be blending some onion, spring onion, some habanero pepper, ginger, garlic, carrot. In a pot, you can go in with your gizzard seasonings of your choice. I used Aromata, Oregano, Basil, Knor cubes, salt, then the blended fresh spices. So after that, I added in my blended fresh spices, added a little bit of water, stirred up a bit and cover to cook. So I went on to bring out my tray, added tomatoes, some shombo, carrots, ginger, garlic and parsley, added it inside the oven, and now my gizzard is ready. Then you have to scoop and keep aside. At this time, the tomatoes is ready to blend. So after blending that, I added oil into a pan, added the blended mixture, fry on a low heat. On the other hand, you can bring out your skewer sticks. Please make sure you soak it in the water for about 30 minutes. Then you can cut the gizzard in a bite size. After cutting the gizzard, I went on to start adding them on the skewer. I've already cut the red bell pepper, green bell pepper and yellow bell pepper and set aside. So this is the way I put it on the skewers. If you have large skewers, you can put as much as you want to put. At this point, the gizzard is ready, so I kept that aside. Then check on the pepper mix, then added seasonings of your choice. I used all-purpose seasoning and Aromata. Then I also went in with salt and 1 Knor cube for taste. So at this point, you can stir that continuously and adjust for salt if need be. Then now it's ready. Bring out your baking tray and start layering the skewers on top of it. If you have watched my video to this point, it means that you are in love with this recipe. Please do well to subscribe and give my video a thumbs up. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment section. Bring out your brush and brush the pepper mix into the meat. Brush it thoroughly. After brushing the first part, you can flip it and repeat the process again. Then when it's ready, you can put it inside the oven at 200° Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes. Make sure you flip in between, and yeah, our gizzard is ready. Will you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section, and see you in my next video. Bye.